Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how you can change your passcode on your iPhone. So you have some passcode and you forgot how to change it. In order to do this, you have to in the settings of your iPhone. Now you need to find the item, Face ID and passcode. Open it. Now specify here our existing password, and we can already edit all this here. To do this, we go below and click on the item, Change Passcode. We specify our password, and now we can specify a new one. If there are 6 characters here and you want 4, then click Passcode Options and choose here 4-digit numeric code. You can also choose another option. You can choose as many digits as you want. You enter this passcode code. Now confirm your password again and your passcode will change, and now it will be as you specified. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to the channel, and also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye-bye. See you later.